Are you ready for another high volatility, fast moving session? Because today the market is loaded with catalysts. At 5:15 a.m., ADP employment data drop. Key signal on the labor market. This ties directly into what Fed Moran hinted at yesterday, potential rate cuts to protect jobs. Translation, the Fed is watching closely. 5:30 a.m. next wave. Revised non-farm productivity expected at 1.9%, cooling off from last month. Efficiency slowing? That could ripple into corporate margins. At 6:45, double data drop. Flash manufacturing PMI at 51.5, services PMI at 52, still expansion but barely. The economy is walking a tightrope. 7 a.m. final hit. Richmond Manufacturing Index expect to tick higher, but the real question is, will any of this matter? Because all eyes are locked in on tomorrow's CPI. Overnight action Nasdaq 100 future pullback, then drifted into a tight consolidation through the Asia session. Now we wait Europe and US step in, and volatility is about to expand. Technical breakdown. Here's the real story. Upside, the 200 EMA is hovering around 24,695 on the 1 hour chart, acting like a magnet. But here's the squeeze. We've got a tight supply demand battle between 24,200 and 24,600. It's not just a range, it's a pressure cooker. Expect chop, fakes out, and aggressive move in both directions. Macro tug of war. On one side, Jerome Powell holding firm on inflation. On the other, more dovish tones from the Fed voices suggesting easing may come. And then geopolitics enters the ring. Donald Trump signaling potential flexibility around the Strait of Hormuz if tension eases. Oil cools, market stabilize if talks fails. Oil pumps, market dumps. And yes, sub 24,000 is back on the table. Trader mindset. This is not a market for weak hands. This is a precision game. If you don't have a setup, don't trade. If you're unsure, sit out and protect the capital. Because the best traders know discipline beats action every single time. I'll be back after hours breaking down levels charge and positioning for CPI showdown. And the big question remains, does CPI even matter anymore? We're about to find out. This is Andrea, your financial pharmacist with Zenja Wealth.